Hello, beautiful people, and welcome.
I'm speaking. I'm speaking.
I am back with another room makeover. I'm really excited about this one. This is probably my favorite so far. It's really cool. So stick around to the end so you can see the full transformation. This makeover was for my dad's home office. And where do I even start? This office has really great bones. There's a lot that I love about it. First off, it has so much great natural light. I love the tall ceilings and the unique features like the curved wall. Even though the space is great, there are lots of things that need to be fixed. We need to declutter the office, add musical elements throughout, organize bookshelves, set up nice backdrop options for Zoom and Facebook Live. My brother Elijah is in middle school and he does gaming and homeschool, so we need an area in the office for that. Order all new furniture for the space because everything has to go. And lastly, burn those horrid window curtains. Hey y'all! So this is the room. It's looking 1, so much bigger. 2, so much more spacious. 3, so much more beautiful. I know, those are the same thing. And just cozy, you know what I'm saying? So this carpet we got the other day and it's way too small for the room. We need something that's gonna fill up most of the space. We did already paint and we tested out some styling there on the shelf. But we're gonna be changing out that light fixture, styling the bookcases. I was gonna paint the bookcases the same like charcoaly color as the walls, but the white is growing on me, so I think I'm gonna leave that there. But anyway, long story short, we're on the way to World Market to get a bigger carpet that's gonna fill the space. Idiots. Good. I can't put my Chanel back on the ground.
There's a car coming, stupidos.
Okay guys, so day 1 of the office makeover, and we are about to just put together some of the furniture and see how to place it in the room. So come along and watch us put together furniture. So I've already started doing some styling on the shelves, but we've already done some painting. We tested out some styling on the shelves, as you can see. And I have my friend here. You might have seen her before.
What's up?
She's gonna help me. I did her office in my last video, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out. So we do not like the rug. It's official that we don't like the rug. I don't know why Shanika's laughing at me, but
Because you look so lost for 2 seconds.
yeah, because I just like I was gonna make an excuse, but I look lost all the time. So wait, before you move that, we're gonna take a picture of the room with this rug, and then we're gonna take the rug up and take another picture because this rug is just not working. We have a traditional office and these rock star velvet curtains and this very modern desk and then this like earthy rug. But at the same time, as I pan around with this camera, it's looking kind of good, so I don't know. All right, let's see. I don't know. The carpet is what's throwing me off. Yeah, the carpet is definitely throwing me off. And we're not using that desk chair. We're gonna scratch that and give him a new one because, as you guys can see, it's all messed up. So yeah, you guys take one final look at the rug because tomorrow it'll be bye-bye. All right, guys, let's go. We're driving and we're driving. We're driving in the snow. We're slide. No big deal. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm on my way right now to run a billion errands. I have to go to Kinko's. I have to go to World Market. I have to go to Lowe's. And I have to go to Guitar Center and another album store downtown. This is because I did not order prints online on Etsy in enough time. So now I have to drive around in the snow all over Michigan to find the art prints that I need. Oh, and we're going to World Market to return this carpet right here because it does not fit the space at all. So here we go. Let's go. We're driving in the snow.
You have one of the worst voices I've ever heard, truthfully.
Thank you. Looks really good. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so we just got to Guitar Center. Now I'm about to look for some posters. Thank you, you're so generous, like you're so thoughtful. Do you know that he heard the what is it called, the heater, he heard the heater going too loud, so he like turned it off a little. This is better, yeah. So listen, we're about to go into Guitar Center and we're gonna go see if they got some posters of the rock stars like Jimi Hendrix and James Brown and all those people. So let's go, let's see what they got. You guys, look at these bookends. Aren't they so cute? I'm definitely gonna get these. And then I also saw a garbage can that's like a metally color. This could be used as like a coaster. It's actually soap holder, but I thought it could be a nice cup holder for coffee. And then here are curtain alternatives. I just don't know if they're going to be long enough. These are 95 inches, and I'm pretty sure the ones that I got from West Elm are 110. Hey guys, so I'm at Lowe's and I decided to get a new chandelier because the other one is just hanging way too low. So I got this one and it says that it's adjustable, so hopefully I can get it to the right ceiling height that works for the space. And then I also got a new rug. You guys know my rug struggles that I've been going through, so this one is a gray and white one. It fits with the design of the space and the color scheme, so hopefully this one works well. We'll see. I'm on my way back there now to try them out. All right, you guys, this is my third trace rug that I am trying out. If this does not work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It fits. Okay guys, so we're done and I'm really excited about the space. We're about to reveal it to my dad. It's reveal time, so let's go. I don't want to wait any longer. Let's show him. Okay, so before you close your eyes.
Yes.
You've been wanting your office done for a while. Right?
I have been, big time.
Okay,
Yep.
so tell people watching what it is you wanted in your office. You wanted a musical feel.
I wanted a musical feel, a creative, creative things to kind of inspire me or to keep me in that flow. I am a messy, so I wanted something that was able to keep everything in place, stuff like that. And so, yeah.
So I'm going to show you what your office looked like before.
Okay.
So you had those striped red and gold curtains.
Right.
You had your desk against the wall.
Yep.
And then we also had a big red chair in there.
Right, we did.
Okay. So are you ready to go see what it looks like now?
I am ready.
Okay.
Now look. Whoa! Man, this is quite a difference. I didn't imagine it like this. This is awesome. Wow. Okay. This is so cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. Yeah, look
Do
at
you
that.
like it?
I love it.
So
Yeah.
you got your musical wall up there.
Yeah.
You got your piano here.
Yep. Put the amp over in practice. Yep.
That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I have so many more room makeovers coming up. If you are interested in having your space made over and styled, go ahead and leave me a comment. I will put my contact information in the description box below. Thanks again and I'll catch you next time.